So welcome back, part 2, and Megan played really well in the first part.
Thank you.
Pains me to say, level through 3, but just really...
Well, I did get a good lesson right beforehand, so...
Yeah, stop it, But anyway, 2 par 5s, par 3 coming up. I need to hit a high. Megan, cut?
I have to hit a cut.
Oh, you've left your favourite till last. This one's about 280 to clear like through the fairway, and I think downwind I could do that with 3 wood. So I've got my hybrid out, but I'm going to try and just shape it just a little bit. You almost need to hug the left hand side here, don't you, if you're going to get at the green?
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, that's the shape, but it's a bit... A beautiful golf shot, but I knew that the driving range was on the left. So I aimed a little further right. I talk a good game. Wasn't quite up to the...
That's fine though.
Not up to the challenge bravery wise, although I did play the shot. So maybe in the next shot I'll be over. Basically I'm saying let's not overcompensate and be too stupid on the net.
You've played this hole many times on that side of the fairway. So since this is a 3-shot hole, I think I'm going to actually cut this first one because there is a lot of room on the side of the fairway that you're on.
That makes sense. Because you got 2 options, because you could draw it down the left and it means you can then hit like 5 wood down the left and get it quite close to the green, but it's not a nice layup area. So I think what you're describing is actually very clever.
We'll cut into that part of the fairway. 3-shot hole. Hang on.
Yeah, it's okay there actually. There is a bit of space.
There's like tons of room over there. No,
I was a little worried though when you aimed like middle to right hand side of the fairway. The shot you just played there, yeah. That's what Tiger does. Because Tiger's afraid of going left. So he tries to cut it off of, he aims right, makes the fairway half the size and then bleeds it into the right rough. Gosh,
I did not like that. I felt so uncomfortable over that shot.
Yeah.
I think just because, okay, this hole suits a draw for me. Like I can just see a draw, so like trying to hit a cut even though there's tons of room over there didn't feel good. No. But
it's done though.
Lots of room over there.
You're done as well, it did cut, so.
Yay.
Well done. So we get up here and Megan's actually still on the fairway. She's lost absolutely nothing.
I play it over here more often.
Yeah, I'm perfect. Like it looks like I'm close to the hazard, but that's as far as I can hit a hybrid.
Are you perfect, Steve?
Well, it could be a further left actually if I was going to say it was perfect. It's gone a long way is what I meant. Where are you aiming?
I'm going to aim at that palm tree over there. With my hybrid.
Yes. What, and then if anything move it to the left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's moving left. Oh.
Short.
That was really moving left.
Is it short of the hazard?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the shot. I felt like where you were aiming was a bit too...
This wasn't pretty.
No, but it was... You had to hit a really good one down that line to make sure you made the carry. So you almost had to then hook it.
Ooh.
But I don't think you've lost anything.
Huh.
You're just playing a bit of army golf.
Yeah, that one hurt the emotions. The confidence.
Oh, I can see what's happening. But they don't...
Alright, so Steve has about 220 in. The green is tucked way back over there, off to the right, and he has a blind shot from over here. Looks like he has an iron in his hand. Very good.
Yeah, very lucky. Plus, because you can, it's a penalty area now and you can ground it.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good angle. Yardage 133 downwind. It's a strong wind. What have you got?
9 iron. Think any picture much?
I'd imagine 9's okay. But I'm aiming into the middle of the green.
Okay.
I might not see it because of the palm tree, but it's a good line.
Alright.
Rolling, you kind of see it rolling there into the back left corner. I think that's a good shot, Megan.
I'm just happy that we found it, and it was such a good line. That's awesome. No complaints. Alright, good shot there. Your approach shot.
It was another clever shot because I had 220. I hit 7 iron. You know, I can't fly 7 that way, but what it meant is I could just think where I've come from. I'm playing across the hole. So if I hit enough club to get to the pin, I actually bring this into play.
Yeah.
So I don't like to toot my own horn, but what a man I am. He says as he's one down. This is going to be a little quick one. The brakes. Really good birdie chance, but that was like perfect pace. I use the word perfect a lot, don't I?
Yeah, you're so perfect.
I'd get a hole in one, I'd be like, oh, but it lipped in. So Megan just off the green. She played a nice shot in there. I don't think she had any other option, but this one slinging off of her right. I honestly think inside my ball here is actually a good putt. Could be a little match play moment here. It starts nice. Does it have the legs? I believe so. That is a beautiful putt. That is a 9 out of 10.
I honestly am shocked that it would stop above the hole like that though. I felt like
never happy though.
I felt like I hit it so hard considering, you know, once it left the face, I thought, uh-oh.
That was a great putt.
Thanks. Thanks, coach.
You're the putting specialist. That's got nothing to do with me. Anyway, Megan. I don't think it even come out in the first part.
Oh yeah, I don't think it did either. Oh, let's see it.
A drum roll, please.
Wow, this is so exciting. Wow. Do you think it's made of real gold?
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah, make sure that safely makes it back in its pouch.
How long before I lose it? Comment down below. Lose it / Megan throws it away. I tell you what, this one hasn't got too much in it.
Oh no, no, no.
Big pull.
Well, good par.
Whoa, didn't trust that one, did I?
No. Get in! Yes! Nice.
It was actually really straight. I didn't trust it. It shows you what strange strokes you put on it when you don't make your mind up. Sometimes you've just got to go, well, that's what it is.
Were you uncommitted on that one?
I was uncommitted. I was below perfect.
Oh goodness.
Ah, that would have been a big one. Kind of felt like I gave that one away, Megan, which is a little bit of a shame.
Another par 5 though.
But yeah, another
it's
par
your time
5.
to shine here.
I have a huge advantage here because with this wind, if I catch one, it's a par 4.
All right, let's see it. Ooh.
And I haven't. See.
That is, I won't be able to zoom in on that one. That's a little right.
It's in the water, right? I think. That will be exceptionally lucky if that hasn't caught the water, but I think it has. You know that advantage I was talking about, Megan? There you go. Oh, what a silly play. So I've opened the door, Megan. You've already got a 1-shot lead and you've used your shots up. So nice positive swing here. And you will feel like one hand is on the trophy, which is fictitious. So you'll have one hand on the fictitious trophy. Oh, what a time to be alive. Oh, starts with mine, but it's hooking. Keep hooking. Keep hooking. That must have caught a piece.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's up by the tree down there.
Okay, good.
On the right side of the fairway.
You just wanted to make it seem like I was back into it. Playing with my emotions. I'll start one in the water and draw it back off it. Show him what he could have won.
I like how dramatic you got. Like you were, oh yeah, and I'm like, it's fine. It's right there in the fairway, dude.
That's what Crossfield used to do. I'd hit like a half decent shot and then he would like describe it. You're like, that's not what happened. That was just like a standard shot. You little beep. Got to be brave, haven't I?
Yeah.
Got 271. And I'm not sure if I need the 1. I got 270.
Oh.
But I gotta send this. When it rains, it pours.
Aww.
You see the splash?
Splash?
Yeah.
Yikes.
I had to try. Maybe could have cut 3 with that. The tee shot that did it, and your good play, Megan.
Yes,
She's
sir.
smiling, no comment, just a little nudge.
Oh, harsh. Harsh.
5 with 218. I think with your shape, you go at the pin. It's not like you're afraid of bunkers. If it turns, it releases up into the left portion. Just make a nice swing. Oh, Megan, that is as good a 5-wood as I've seen her hit.
Oh, it's in the bunker.
Probably bunker. It was slightly too far for you to carry, but that was a beautiful ball flight.
Thank you.
I wish I'd put out the old ball tracer because it was stunning.
Thanks. Yeah. How you doing on golf balls there? I'm offering friendly.
I'm using a yellow Pro V.
Wow.
Went in here. I'm dropping off the pad.
I don't even think I've ever seen the yellow Pro V. Huh.
They're all right.
I'm learning some new things here.
95. And I'm now playing 1, 2, 3, playing 5.
3, 4,
that right?
5. Yeah.
Get it up and down. pretty happy with the 6. Would be ecstatic with the 6. How have I hooked the lob wedge?
Oh gosh. Alright.
You know, downwind, I think I was always going to struggle to get it close, but that wasn't even that exciting, was it? Not at any point.
That lob wedge had a lot of hook on it. That was interesting.
My feet were like a bit this way, you see?
Yeah.
But still, I need to gap test my wedges, because I've got new wedges and I'm not entirely sure how far they go.
Yeah.
So, you know, the body stops turning and then you...
Definitely.
Turn it off.
Now I'm having fun with this.
Megan played a great second shot. Uphill lie. No green to work with, but... Oh, check. Oh. Good shot.
I was happy with it. I was hoping it would just...
Yeah, it probably took a fraction too much sand for it to do that.
Okay.
But would have been silly to clip it over the green.
Yeah.
You know, that was the sensible shot. Good birdie chance. Deservedly so. You've played really well.
Thanks.
Silence. That's when you say, Steve, you've played great.
I said thank you.
Totally ignores my comment.
I'm not a liar, Steve. I'm not a liar. Alright, so Steve here. Is this for bogey?
This is for bogey. This is must make.
Must make.
It's a must make and then you must not make.
Much better stroke. But alright.
Not bad.
That's good for 7.
7. Slide. Just hit it through it just a tad. It's given though. Good par.
Yeah.
1 hole to play, 3-shot lead.
Alright, what do you have?
Oh, I tell you what. When it rains it pours. I haven't hit my high shot. Have I?
No. I've hit all mine.
Huh. Oh. So I'm 3 down, 1 to play.
Do you have the right club?
No.
I love watching Steve run. Alright. High shot.
It's a high shot, so I've got my 50 and I'm going to tee it up.
Okay, good play.
And I'm going to rip it. Still works. I was in between shots anyway, so this does work. Oh, have the legs. It's high. Have the legs.
Oh, Steven.
Oh!
Wow. That was a good shot.
That was really high.
That was good.
Happy boy now.
Really high.
That potentially could be in.
Throwing darts.
That potentially could be in. And you know why it could be in?
Why?
So I didn't use the word perfect. So there's a chance. It's invalidated, but I said that, I wanted to, if I said that was perfect, you know it's not gone in.
I love how, like, you keep saying when it rains it pours. It's like, is that the name of this video? When it rains it pours. It's like, you know when you're watching a movie and they come across like the name of the movie and you're like, oh, there it is.
Yeah. Or it can be called Steve's bleep 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 at golf. Don't laugh at that, Megan. So Megan, 109, and we're under the assumption I've got a hole in one. So you need a par. Let's make it interesting. Let's make some fake news. Got pitching wedge?
Pitching wedge.
It's just like a nice stock one?
Yeah. New swing.
Oh, turned it just a little bit. Soft bounce.
Ooh. I thought that was gonna be better than that.
Where did it go?
It took like a really bad kick to the left.
Yeah, it's because there's a slope there, but you've aimed at a pin you shouldn't have aimed at. With your shot shape,
yeah, that was dumb.
Situation's kind of irrelevant because you've already won, I'm guessing, but if playing in a comp, you need to start it down here and let your natural shape bring it onto that pin.
Yeah. Oh, that was dumb.
Bit of wind off the right as well.
Good advice though. You're right. Kind of forgot you were playing that yellow ball.
Yeah, the dream is over. Megan's comment of the yellow ball means it's not in the hole. It's really over because it's not even that close. It's right on the front. So this is the Megan show. Opening it up.
Yep.
Always nice when you got a couple shots to spare.
Yeah. I don't think that's the shot I want to play anymore.
Yeah. John van der Veld.
Wow.
Yeah, see, that was the shot to play first time. I was trying to be like
really fancy with it, and
yeah,
you just have to be committed, and I was not.
No,
you know?
You had a bit more. You know when something looks like it's got no green, whereas you could use this and just kill it and.
Yeah, that was just. It was an unnecessary play, really.
Yeah. You had a lead, so it doesn't.
Yeah, sometimes it's just fun to try. This would actually be huge if he makes this. Come on, stretch. All right, so you're good for par there.
Yeah. It would have been marginally interesting if that had gone in.
I know, I said this is gonna be really interesting if he makes this. Cause yeah. Definitely.
So this is for the bogey, but she has shots in hand, so Megan, it's probably as good as I've seen her play on film for sure. Great putt again. That's just a really good 6 holes.
You should have heard in my head I'm going, I'm not making doubles, Steve. Thank you.
Congratulations. Really, really good stuff. You know, not only did you play well, like the ball striking was good. You know, like obviously a little disappointed with how I played the par 5, and I played okay bar that, but I think
this wasn't meant to be for you today, Steve.
No, I have no arguments. That was really well played. So congratulations.
Thank you.
And
second Buzz World in the books.
Did you win the last one?
I think I did, but I don't remember.
I don't remember. I beat you so many times. I don't know.
I don't know. I won this one. Remember that?
The end.